Hey, this is Pierre Dacot working at Planet Technologies. I often have this question when you're starting a conversation with someone and you're working and dropping a document and you start to work together on the document. But what if you want to give access to this document to other people and you don't want them to be in the chat because you don't want them to see what you've chatted about. That can be a use case. So how do you do that? So it's pretty simple. And I will explain what's going behind the scenes. So first, you just you know go into your chat where the document is. You click on the three ellipses, and you open in the desktop of the browser. Here I'm going to do it in the desktop, and then you do the usual stuff that usually you're doing when you're on the document. So you can share the file with whoever you want, and then it's a typical window that shows you with who you want to share, and you can decide to share it with specific people, and you can define if you want to allow them to edit, or if you don't want them to edit, you can even tell them you don't want them to download, so they only have access to through the browser. So that's the easiest way that some people might not know, because I will often have the question. So what's going behind the scenes? So I'm going to go into my OneDrive. Actually, when you put a document in a chat, it's stored in your OneDrive. I need to relog in, I don't know why. So in my OneDrive, there's a specific folder called Microsoft Team Chat Files, where all the documents you're dropping in your chat are stored, and they're shared with the person that is in your chat. So if it's a group chat, it's shared with several people. The people who are in the group chat, if it's an individual, will be shared with the individual. So here I can find the same document. I think it was this one, and you see, yeah, that was the same one. So you could do that too. You could go there, but you have to switch from Teams to the browser, then navigate to your OneDrive. That's what's happening behind the scenes. Another thing I wanted to show is you can have access to all the files that you're sharing with a person, going in the File tab in the chat window, and you see also the document here. So if you want to, you remember that you chat with the person, but you don't want to scroll into your chat, you can go directly here. So this is how you can really easily share a file that is in the chat with somebody else without making this person have access to the chat. Hope it was helpful.